So here's the pins marked out on this board now. So this is the waste in here, and the thing to remember is that to leave this line and cut on the waste side of the line so that the pins are large enough, and if they're too large then we'll just pare a little off. But when I saw, I got to stay away from this lip, and it'll create saw lines down in here, but that's perfectly normal on period furniture. So here it is after I've sawn the pins, and you can see the saw marks go way beyond the end of where the side will fit in. So and that's very normal for 18th century half-blind dovetails. But so now I have to chop out the waste and then fit it. So here it is, all chopped out and pared off. You have to make sure that the sides are square in here, and of course square off the bottom as well. So if you did it carefully, it should just fit in here. And it does. We need a give it a whack or two. Fits nice and tight. There you have it. So that's one side of the pin's completed. I have to do the other side. These are the drawer bottoms that I roughed out the other day, and it's made out of the pine. They aren't to the correct thickness yet. I'm probably going to make them a 1/2 inch. But one important thing is that see, the grain of the wood runs, of course, across this way, but in the so you can't or shouldn't put the drawer bottom with the grain running front to back, because the expansion will be across the grain this way and push the sides of the drawer out when we have seasonal changes in humidity. So what I've got to do is glue up 2 of these together to make it long enough to run the length. I need 15 3/8 for a drawer bottom by about 7.5 inches wide. So each of these, if I glue 2 of the panels together, once the glued up panel is made, it'll be cut in half to make 2 drawer bottoms. So we have enough material here to make 6 drawer bottoms, but I have to do gluing first, and then chop it in half, and then mill it to its final thickness. So I'll do that a little later. Drawer bottoms are last.